How to add text to your TikTok videos. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the TikTok app and you can see different videos will appear here and different options will appear here like the home, friends, plus mark, inbox and the profile. For making and adding text to your videos, you have to click on this plus mark. After clicking on this plus mark, this page appear and different options will appear here. Just you have to click on the text mark here and you have to add text on your videos like I I am writing this like this and I can change color, I can change the font style size as well and click on done. In this way I can add text to my videos like this. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.